Do you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? In this video, I'll share 3 hidden faceless niches that can make over $10,000 per month. These niches have less competition than the popular ones, so you'll have a much better chance of success. At the end of the video, I'll also show you a powerful AI tool to create high-quality videos for these niches without any filming or editing. All you need to do is type a text prompt, and the AI will generate a fully edited video with voiceover, footage, text, and transitions. So, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button and let's get started. Alright, the first channel that I'm going to show you is called What If. This channel is completely faceless, meaning the videos use stock videos and voiceovers with no on-camera host. It's a great example of how you can create successful YouTube content without showing your face. What makes this channel unique is that it makes animated science videos that ask imaginative questions and then provide real scientific answers. The channel uses simple footage that anyone can create, which makes it even more impressive. Can you believe that this faceless YouTube channel gets over 22 million views every single month? That means around 600,000 to 800,000 views per day, which is incredible growth. According to Social Blade, they make between $5,600 to $90,300 each month just from ads on YouTube alone. In my opinion, this faceless channel did well by making learning and fun together in an easy way. The channel's videos are well produced and informative, and they cover a wide range of interesting topics. Later in this video, I'll show you how to easily create this type of faceless content without any technical skills. But first, let's look at the next profitable channel. Now, this next channel is a really fascinating one. It's called Einzelganger. The creator makes videos exploring philosophical topics like happiness, mindfulness, goals, and more, but they never show their face on camera. Instead, they use a mix of stock footage and animations to discuss deep ideas in an artistic way that pulls viewers in. The channel is seriously taking off. They get over 3.5 million views every month, which means an average of over 100,000 views per day. Social Blade estimates their monthly income from AdSense to be between $886 and $14,200. But I believe their meaningful content earns them much more from other sources as well. This channel shows that when you use creativity to share uplifting concepts, you can build an audience looking for growth and purpose. There's so much potential with this format to impact lives. I'll share exactly how you can produce these moving videos later in the video. But first, one more massively successful channel to check out. Okay, this last channel I want to tell you about is a super unsaturated faceless niche with huge potential. It's called Stoic Bond. This channel creates content exploring Stoic philosophy and its strategies for personal growth and reflection without showing their face. Their videos use simple footage to discuss topics like morning routines, life transformations, and more. Amazingly, with just 5 videos uploaded so far, they already have over 20,000 subscribers. That shows this niche has very low competition. They get about over 480,000 views per month, averaging over 16,000 views daily. And Social Blade estimates $122 to $2,000 in monthly earnings so far. Imagine if you created a channel like this and posted more consistently. You could easily get over 1 million views a month in this wide-open niche. There's also huge potential to promote relevant affiliate offers to your audience. So, as you can see, Stoic Bond taps into an unsaturated niche and uses an easy-to-replicate video style. Now, I'll show you how to create professional-looking videos in minutes with this new AI video maker. No video editing experience required. All you need to do is type in a text prompt, and the AI will generate a video with footage, text, and transitions. So, let me show you how. First, head over to my YouTube description and click the first link. This will take you directly to the InVideo AI Video Maker site. Once you've signed up, you'll see a clean page. Then, select YouTube Explainer. In the next window, select the video length you want. I'll choose a 2-minute video. To write an SEO-optimized creative title for your video, go to ChatGPT and use it to generate 15 optimized titles for your niche. I've included a content prompt in the description to help you get better titles. Simply paste the following prompt into ChatGPT and wait for it to generate 15 optimized titles. For this video example, I'll make a video title for the What If YouTube niche, but you can use these editing techniques for any type of video. So once you have the best title, copy it and paste it into the title box in InVideo. Next, we need to write a prompt for the video description. I've included another prompt in the description. Copy that prompt and paste it into the second prompt box on InVideo. This will help the AI create a more personalized and engaging video for your audience. Now, select a background song that is related to your topic. I choose dramatic and ambient music. Okay, now in the settings, select the voiceover. I chose a male voice with a clear southern accent. Select the visuals and scenes you want displayed, and then click the Generate button to create your content. The video generation process will take 2 to 5 minutes. I will fast forward so we can see the finished result. It's finally done. The AI created a professional video for us in minutes, and I'm absolutely blown away by the results. It's everything we wanted and more. The video is engaging, visually appealing, and informative, and it perfectly conveys our message. Check it out.
Imagine the year is 200 BC, and a UFO descends upon the Roman Empire. Not a modern city, but the ancient Rome. Intriguing, isn't it? Picture a bustling marketplace, the beating heart of the empire, suddenly cast into shadow by an otherworldly vessel. The metallic hum of advanced machinery disrupts the familiar sounds of bartering and chatter. This isn't a Roman deity descending from the heavens. This is something entirely different, utterly alien. The initial landing of the extraterrestrials would have been a sight to behold, a spectacle beyond anyone's wildest dreams or nightmares. Now imagine the first contact between the Romans, masters of the known world.
This AI video is next level. As a creator myself, I'm impressed by the visuals, the voiceover, and the way the topic is explained. Honestly, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. If you want to remove the watermark, access all the amazing premium features, and monetize without copyright issues, I highly recommend upgrading to the premium version of this AI. It's worth every penny. If you want to see a clear and detailed explanation of how to generate YouTube videos with this AI, watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss out on any future videos like this.